Welcome back to Bike Buzz Pro, where we talk about bikes that mix style, simplicity, and everyday usability. Today we're looking at the Honda CM125C 2026, a motorcycle that brings classic cruiser vibes into a modern, beginner-friendly package. This bike is designed for riders who want comfort, reliability, and timeless design without unnecessary complexity. The Honda CM125C 2026 keeps its retro cruiser DNA alive with a low-slung stance, wide handlebars, and a relaxed riding posture. The teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, and chrome accents give it an old-school charm, while subtle modern touches make it feel fresh for today's riders. It's the kind of bike that looks just as good parked outside a cafe as it does cruising through city streets. Under the tank, Honda equips the CM125C 2026 with a smooth and fuel-efficient 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. This engine is tuned for calm, predictable power delivery, making it perfect for new riders and daily commuters. It doesn't try to be aggressive. Instead, it focuses on smooth acceleration, low vibration, and long-term durability, which is exactly what Honda is known for. In city traffic, the CM125C feels light and easy to control. The low seat height helps riders keep their feet firmly on the ground, boosting confidence in stop-and-go situations. Whether you're navigating tight streets or relaxed open roads, this bike stays stable and comfortable, even on longer rides. Honda's refined suspension setup absorbs bumps well, keeping the ride smooth and stress-free. Braking performance is solid and predictable, with a front disc brake and rear drum brake setup that matches the bike's relaxed character. Safety features like CBS or optional ABS, depending on the market, help improve braking control, especially for newer riders. The tires provide good grip for daily riding, and the overall balance of the bike feels reassuring. The instrument cluster keeps things simple and readable, focusing on essential information like speed, fuel level, and indicators. Honda avoids unnecessary digital clutter here, staying true to the CM125CS classic identity. This simplicity makes the bike easy to live with and easy to maintain. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Honda CM125C 2026. With excellent mileage and a reliable engine, it's a bike that won't hurt your wallet. Maintenance costs remain low, parts availability is strong, and Honda's reputation for reliability makes this motorcycle a smart long-term choice. In conclusion, the Honda CM125C 2026 is not about speed or flash, it's about comfort, style, and everyday practicality. It's ideal for beginners, casual riders, and anyone who appreciates classic cruiser design in a lightweight, affordable form. If you're looking for a dependable bike with timeless looks and modern reliability, this one definitely deserves your attention.